Hot water is a must for comfort in Aussie homes, but it's a big energy consumer, impacting on your wallet and the planet. Did you know hot water is the second largest household energy user? It can be up to a quarter of your bill. Installing the right-sized hot water system matters. Small homes might need a 90-litre tank, whilst larger homes may require a 270-litre system. Solar systems are a game changer, potentially slashing bills by 50 to 80%. With 1.5 million solar systems installed across Australia, they're popular for savings and eco-benefits. Choose wisely among electric, gas and solar options, considering factors like energy sources, climate and what's available in your area. Gas and solar are greener, but electric can work well with saving strategies in place. Tips to consider for more savings: having shorter showers, installing low-flow fixtures. Insulating pipework and servicing your system regularly can help. When was the last time you had your hot water system checked? Regular maintenance is crucial for efficiency and safety. Neglecting maintenance can decrease efficiency and lead to corrosion, leaks, and even safety hazards. Regular checks by a licensed plumber can prevent these issues, ensuring your system runs smoothly and lasts longer. Investing in the right hot water system and maintaining it can lead to substantial energy and cost savings while supporting environmental sustainability. Contact Refined Plumbing Sunshine Coast for your hot water needs today.